Wagwan people, Wagwan T-Savers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good because we've got another jam-packed pick a card reading for you today. And we are looking into the question, okay, the person on your mind. What are their current thoughts and feelings, their intentions, and their next moves towards you? So, get ready as we gather those juicy, intuitive gems.
Walk on guarantee. DCBS, walk on guarantee. DCBS, walk on guarantee. Welcome to DCBS. Yeah.
So, we have pile one, pile two, pile three. I hope you've got some snacks, some tea, some juice, okay, as we gather those intuitive gems. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, so we like to bring in okay, good gratitude energy into the reads, okay? So we're gonna start. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Pile one, pile two, pile three. Go to that number that's calling you, and I will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan T-Tippers, Wagwan General. So we are looking into pile one. What are their current thoughts and feelings, okay? Their intentions and their next moves towards you, okay? So I hope you've got your juice, your snacks ready as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea, as well as check out the channel and the live tab for exclusive Summer of Love pick a card readings available for the rest of the summer. All right, let's have a look and see Wagwan. Okay. So, the person on your mind, what are their current thoughts and feelings? So, we have the Tower. We have the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, we have the Two of Pentacles. And we have the Death card. So, the message is with the tower, there seems to have been some kind of separation, some kind of disagreement. I feel like a fallout, and this has led to a sense of like, can this be repaired? All this time that we've invested. Look at what's going on with the Seven of Pentacles. It's like all that harvesting of all this time and energy. Okay, can this still be is this possible for it to still be salvaged? Look at what the the figure is wearing. There's a lot of red here. It's like there's still a lot of passion here. But I feel like with the Two of Pentacles, that time and investment, it's still this question of, is this something that can be salvaged? Has this ship sailed? And I feel like this person wants to come towards you. They have an intention of whether they can come towards you and start anew. But I still feel like there's this energy of contemplating whether you still feel the same way as well. Okay? Especially because we got the Death card, and the Death card can represent transformation, wanting anew. Now, this is being currently filmed during the Lions portal, okay? And the Lion portal or the Lion's Gate represents this energy, the eight of the eight, okay, of this strong, powerful manifesting energy. And I feel like at this time, this is what they're manifesting right now, is the energy of transformation. You know, the death is like seen as this illusion, okay? So that something may go and then it's like it regenerates, okay? And I feel like this is what they're seeing. They're seeing that that may have been like a past life that's gone. Now we're going to regenerate anew. And they want to regenerate this. They want to regenerate this union with you. Okay? So we can see already the current feelings, especially with the Pentacles. Perhaps there could be some issues around money, okay? Because the Pentacles also represents the energy of money, the energy of stability, the energy of security, okay? Let's think of the earth signs. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, okay? Now, I was drawn to say Scorpio. This is the energy of the Scorpio, okay? With the Tower being here, all right? And I feel like to say the Death card as well. But I feel like there's a strong energy of like transformation, okay? Especially with the Tower and the Death. Like this, you know, this may have happened or had come to pass because there was lessons that were needed to be learned and those lessons were not being received, okay? You know, I feel like the message is like someone's luck ran out, or the fact that it was like missed opportunities to learn from a lesson. And I feel like there could also have been like a feeling of someone was feeling like they were taken for granted, not really being appreciated. I feel like it could have also been some kind of, at times, it may have felt, and this is for some of you, it may have felt very one-sided, okay? And I feel like the separation has made someone realize, wow, like, how, I've missed out on a good thing. And I feel like it's almost like if they had this thought, or for some of you, this feeling of, oh, the grass was greener, they're realizing that the grass was not greener at all, okay? Hence this energy of transformation, wanting to start anew, okay? Now there could be a crush or energy, but I feel like this person, I feel like it's more somebody that is a love interest where there's been like a lot of energy between you two, okay? But if there is a crush here, it could be also that missed opportunity of not coming forward, and someone's in this kind of like, why didn't I do this? Why didn't I say this earlier? But I feel like that energy can can be applied to this person as well. That's coming through, okay? So we're gonna have a look at the Jamaican proverbs now and see what message the Jamaican proverbs want to let you know. Okay? Let's see what the Jamaican proverbs want you to know right now. Let's have a look and see. I feel like saying shuffle, baby. If it starts shuffling, it's taking a while, it's a nice way to like break the mood, and it helps to kind of like bring all the energy through. Okay, so look at this. We have when a man's belly's full, him brock the pot. Okay, so when a man's bellies, or when someone's belly is full, they will break the pot. Okay, so in Patwa, when a man belly full, him brock pot. When a man's belly full, him brock the pot. Okay, and this simply means you're satisfied. It's the feeling of being satisfied. Sometimes we can forget the little things. Be present and be thankful for your blessings. Daily gratitude. Okay, and I feel like this person, look at this energy of being satisfied. Being satisfied. Look what's going on here. This person is looking, thinking, oh, did I do enough? Did I do enough? Did I do enough? Okay? Being satisfied. Sometimes we can forget the little things. Be present and be thankful for your blessings. Okay, let's have a look at and the fact that there's three. There could be again more than one story here. Okay, we have the cow says sit down, don't mean rest. The cow said to sit down, but not to rest. Okay, and I feel like this is again back to this energy. Someone's taken either had taken you for granted, taken the union for granted. Almost it's like and I feel like it's like perhaps it could have gone through a honeymoon period, and after that honeymoon period, that person kind of drifted off, thinking, oh well, I'll just, you know, I'll just kind of lessen the speed a bit. Okay, just imagine someone's like driving a car and they just lessen the speed a bit, lessen the speed a less, and then it's like they're going really slow. Okay, we have don't be lazy, don't be idle, and don't self sabotage. And I feel like this person could have been doing this. Okay, especially because look, we got this. The tower is not here for a reason. The tower is not here for a reason. Don't self sabotage. Okay, and I feel like this person did a lot of that, not taking the union for granted, self sabotaging, okay, and now it's like realizing, why did I do that? Why? Okay, because look at this here, and this could be someone that you actually lived with or was in a kind of like intimate relationship in union. It could be someone, I'm getting the message. There's a song that's coming through. It's just someone I used to know. Yeah, there's a song that's coming through. It's like I know it's as a reggae song. I don't know. It's probably like a cover, but it's like it's a song, just someone I used to know. Okay, and I feel like this is the message, someone I used to know. Perhaps this person may have showed, or you've seen things different. You've seen different things from them that was not like. I feel like it was not matching the person that they tried to put across at first, and perhaps it created some confusion. And you're thinking, well, like, okay, what's your true intention? What are you really about? Because we've got here, look at this, see me and live with me. And the fact that this song is coming through about someone I used to know. See me and live with me are two different things. Two different things. To see me and to live with me is two different things. So this is kind of like really the message of having two different masks, okay? Having a different mask. So we're going to say it in the Jamaican patois. To see me, okay? That didn't really sound like Jamaican patois. Let's go. Rewind. Just, right. Okay. To see me and live with me are two different things. To see me and live with me are two different thing, are two different something. Okay, so it just means to see somebody and to live for somebody is two different things. And I feel like there could have been. I feel like this could have been something to do with their intentions, not always following through, not always following through. Okay, because look, things are not always what they appear or what they seem. So be aware. Take time to know the person slash thyself. Okay. So I feel like there's a message here of like really trusting your intuition, using your discernment. But this person does want to know. But I feel like the message, like there's some like cautions that I'm getting here with these Jamaican proverbs as well as we can see the Tower and the Two of Pentacles. It's like making sure you're taking on a a well-informed decision. Now, it's funny because as soon as I said well-informed decision, Sunshine Anderson's song, heard it all before, all of your lies, baby, saying this, saying that. And this is kind of the same thing with the Two of Pentacles, saying this, then saying that, then saying this, then saying that. And I feel like this could be something that perhaps it's like you're saying, I feel like there's a message, and I wouldn't be surprised because we're going to pull out the Romantic Angels Oracle deck, okay? And I feel like the message that I'm getting is the red flags are cautioning you. There's some red flags that are cautioning you, okay? So let's have a look and see if it does come out. Okay, give us a sec. Just gonna pull it out. Right, so we got it here, and we're gonna see what wants to come out for the collective. So what message wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 1, the person on your mind? Okay, their intentions, their current thoughts and feelings, and their moves towards you. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 1. Okay. Ooh, so we have true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Okay, so it could be a soulmate. It could be someone who's now coming to they're realizing now their wrongs. Look, we have let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Okay. About another one. Let's see what else wants to come out. We have stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. And I feel like this is the message of why I was getting this kind of like there could be some red flags here that you just need to bear in mind. Okay, and I feel like also talking to friends and family, okay, people that you trust, can help you to also outweigh, maybe any thoughts or anything that you was thinking and like may be a bit off, or just little things that maybe you're just thinking something. I don't know if there's something don't feel right here. Okay, now I feel drawn to pull one more. Ooh, okay, look. We have let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. So I feel like perhaps there could be this energy as well of divine timing, especially because we see the tower, and that's kind of like a divine intervention. Okay. All right. So let's have a look. I'm gonna just feel drawn to pull one more. Okay. It wanted to come out. So there is chemistry here. There is strong magnetic attraction here. So there's quite a lot of energy here. Okay. But I want to see why we're still getting this energy of heard it all before and red flags are cautioning you. Let's have a look. Why is that message still coming up? So we're just using the Good Karma Tarot deck just to clarify that the intuitive messages that are coming through. So for the collective who chose pile 1, why is that message coming through to the red flags are cautioning you, to heard it all before, someone that I used to know? Why is that all coming through? And I feel like this could be maybe for some of you, okay? And you know what we like to do around here is to take what resonates and leave the rest. We have, look, because I feel like there could have been an energy with the 9 of Swords, a lot of overthinking, a lot of like questioning yourself. I feel like there's a message as well that perhaps there has been lots of like late nights thinking what's going on here, why are they doing this? Okay, let's have a look and see what's here. Because yes, we've got the Five of Swords. And I feel like the Five of Swords was like, could have been also your way of saying, you know, I need to release myself from this because I can't keep just doing this anymore. Okay. Look, especially the Nine of Wands, it probably could have been giving you a lot of like, I feel like someone could have been really sighing, having like, feeling like they're having headaches, feeling like they're be stuck in this loop. Okay. Their current thoughts, but we're looking at their current thoughts and their feelings. Their current thoughts, and because I feel like it's bringing a lot of your current thoughts so far. I feel like we're getting a lot of your thoughts, but let's have a look and see. Okay, this is what we can see from the front, the middle, sorry, from the front and the back of the deck and the card that kick popped out. Okay, so we're gonna have a look and see. Okay, show us the person on your mind's current thoughts and feelings now. Show us the person on your mind's current thoughts and feelings. What's the person on your mind's current thoughts and feelings? Okay, now they're coming through. They have, it's justice. They want to balance this out. They they want to work on things, and I feel like they are also recognizing that their actions have come with consequences, or their actions have led to this, and they know that they need to do 50-50. So if we go back, let's rewind a bit. Okay, let's rewind a bit. Let's rewind. Okay, there was a message of appreciating what you have, and I feel like this is what could have impacted this union. This person may have not been appreciative, and I feel like it could have been really subtle things that now they're recognizing it. Okay, because look, we've got the Six of Wands, and the Six of Wands is representing that energy of wanting success. So I feel like this person really does want to come back. I feel like they, even if it's like they want to take that time to go and do the work needed to then reflect. Perhaps they could even be taking that time to do that now, or have been in communication saying this is what they're doing, so that they can come in a better, I feel like I'm getting in a better shape, better form towards you. Okay? Because look at that. The tower's shut here again. So there was definitely, some of you could be separated. Okay? This person may want to patch things. Okay? Because look, we've got the Three of Wands. What, you know, the Three of Wands is that energy of wanting to travel, come towards you, you know, growth, expansion. But we do have the Queen of Swords, and look what's here, the Five of Cups. And I feel like that's what the message again, why it was like the red flags are cautioning you to trust your intuition, trust how you feel. Okay, because I feel like this energy is that this person can come back again, but the message again is to see me and live with me are two different things. Are they willing to be emotionally vulnerable and open to you? Because look, we have the Three of Swords, and I feel like for some of you, you've been here before, been here before, been here before. Okay. Okay. So let's have a look now on some clues to help you know who this person is. Okay, so we're gonna have a look at some clues to help you to know who this person is. So we have chiseled jawline, okay, or their jawline could be quite very significant. They could have a significant kind of like maybe chiseled jawline, or there could be a feature, or there could be perhaps you've kind of often at times looked at their jawline. Okay, I feel like it could have been looked, touched, feel their jawline. Okay, or it could be something that maybe you've been attracted to as well in the past. We have here, I feel a spark every time we touch. It's hard to ignore. Okay, this person on your mind, let's see, I've cherished the moments we spend together. They are the highlights of my day. So this could be someone that is like reminiscing or still has contact. Okay, let's see this one. We have ambition driven, and we can see that with the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, we see that with the Seven of Pentacles, that there is that kind of energy that perhaps it could have also been the message that's coming through is the message that this person could have also been so focused on their goals, their ambitions, and not seeing it as a collective, like, right, well, we support one another, okay? And I feel like it could have been, again, the message is saying one-sided, okay? Or not seeing it as like, you know, just like how you invest in your career, you invest in your love life, okay? Or you invest in the union, okay? And I feel like this person could also care about what others think, but and may have kind of always tried to seek validations from others, but may have not tried to, but not really appreciating what they had with you when it came to just being themselves. Okay, what else? So that the person on your mind, okay, reveal to the collective who you are. Ooh, we have your laugh makes my heart skip a beat. So they could have like a really nice smile, or they think you have a nice smile. You could have laughed about like the most silly things to like the most serious things. Okay, right. Any messages from their higher self, or their divine self, the divine masculine to the divine feminine? This keeps popping a lot in the reads. So someone could be a skilled musician, and this could be like a rapper. This could be like a singer, an artist. They can also maybe be in the background, like a producer. Okay, I feel like this person could be in music, or they have like an interest in music or other music, or could be even supporting, like, or could be like a manager or some kind of, they have some kind of role in music for some of you. Okay, I'm getting also the message perhaps they've also like sang, like they've sang to you before, or showed you some of their like songs. Your smile brightens up my day. So we still have this energy of your smile, the engaging with you. We have you challenge me to be a better person, and I'm grateful for that. Okay, we have my heart skips a beat when I see you. In fact, every time I see you, damn, you're fine. So this person could be looking at your pictures. They could also be seeing you on a daily, okay, or you may pop up frequently or past one another frequently, okay. Okay, we have Dimples. Another song that's popped up is Erica Badu, maybe in the next lifetime, okay? Because I feel like this person does want a relationship, but I feel like there's just some things, again, it's like, can the two of you both work it out or work out your differences? Put it in the comments down below, let us know. Okay, we have avid sports fans, Pacific team. There could be a Pacific team, okay? And we're going to look at some additional clues with these stickers on who this person could be to help you to know who's this person, the person on your on your mind, okay, who still has feelings, who still wants to work things out. Okay, and it's now like it's almost like they're in this energy of gratitude and appreciation for your presence. So we're gonna have some additional, just have a look and see what additional clues want to come out regarding this person. Look at that money. Oi, 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 oi. So it could have been this energy of prioritizing just work. I feel like perhaps this person could also may struggle with having too much on their what's that too much on their plate. So let's say perhaps they've got a lot going on with work, and I feel like they also recognize that I'm getting the message like I'll make it up to you, I'll make it up to you, I'll make it up to you. Um, and I feel like this person is also like they have a lot of regrets for that. Okay, let's see what else comes out. We've got someone who's they with the hair. There's like could be a very caring. They could be very caring. We still have lots of money signs coming through. Okay, let's have a look here. So we have there could be again this attraction, chemistry between you two. This person could be enjoys books, reading. It could also tell us that they have been keeping an eye and seeing what you're doing. Okay, and we still have this energy as let's so it could be that sexual attraction as well, chemistry. And we have look, there's still a lot of energy of like I feel like this could be, when they have time on their own, they could be eating healthily or eating foods that they're fond of, eating foods that you both liked. It could also been maybe they have cooked for you in the past, but I feel like this person is also reflecting. They have taken a lot of time to reflect on things and recognizing, wishing and wanting things to change between you two. But look here, we have again this energy of like books and academia, okay? And we have this energy here of gifting. So perhaps this could be a way of how they show their love language as well towards you, okay? So we are going to have a look at, let's pull out the chakra cards. Let's see with the chakra wisdom cards. Let's have a look and see what message they want to tell you. What's going on with this person on your mind? What's going on with them? What's going on with them? What's going on with this person on your mind? Oh, it feels like there's a blockage here, isn't it? It's shuffling. Come on. A lot of look at this. Oi, 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 oi. This is a lot of crown energy right here. Look at this crown energy. So again, it's all this thinking. Because look at this. We have the six. We have the sixth chakra. Let's start with this. Let's go through them. We have the sixth chakra, the inner knowing. Okay, the inner knowing. I trust my inner knowing and I am at peace with myself. I feel like this is something that this person may have struggled with. I create more moments of stillness and silence and I listen for the truth. I'm open to connecting with and listening to my gut and my heart's feelings, and I don't override them with my mind's logic. I practice meditation, prayer, and contemplation. Oi, 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 oi. This is the energy of like contemplation. Okay? So I feel like this person, especially how we've this has never happened before. Look at all this energy here. All in the crown. And the crown represents all this bit. And we can see it here with we go back. Let's have a look. With the Two of Pentacles. Because this is like thoughts, feelings. You're trying to make a decision on where you should go. Look at all the water representing that energy. We have here the seventh chakra, the crown, okay? So Oh, sorry. This was the third eye. So the third eye is located here. Okay. So it's that energy of trusting your intuition. Okay. Then we have the crown chakra. So if you can see it, I hope you can see it. It says, I sit still in meditation. Okay. I sit still in meditation regularly as I know there is power in silence. Okay. In the silence, I am open to receive without asking and without expectation. In the silence, I will hear and see the truth. So they will hear and see the truth. Okay. And I feel like, because we did see a lot of this energy, that they will sit and hear the truth. And I feel like that could be that the tower moment has given them that opportunity. Okay, now I'm also getting perhaps someone has fallen ill or something like that, or and it's kind of, or something has, there may have kind of been some kind of like complications or something like that in regards to their work, and that time has given them, it's at the same time it may have stopped them off the tracks, but it's also still a blessing for them to see what's important in front of them. Because I feel like they may have been that may have been lost, and now they're recognizing it. Okay. We have again the third eye, that intuition, using your wisdom, your discernment. Look at that. I am open to understanding the spiritual truths behind the situations occurring in my life right now. I practice discernment and I listen deeply within for the truth. I choose to respond. Okay, I choose to respond rather than, I hope you can see that, than just reacting to situations. Act, see, acting with clarity, courage, and conviction. Look at this again. The intuition. Okay, chakra, the third eye. I recognize the great deal of knowledge. Hope you can see that. Great deal of knowledge. Okay, and information comes to me in the form of intuition, such as clairvoyance, clairaudience, hypersensitive feelings. So this is like their energy of like being able to connect, listen to how they feel, how they think and feel. And I feel like the more they listen to that, that's also them connecting with their power, their kind of their intuitive muscle. Okay, and I feel like the intuitive muscle has been neglected for a long while, and it could be like maybe chasing the paper, chasing this, not staying grounded, and it created this unsettledness here. Okay, but I feel like this person does want to come to you. They do have intentions of expressing love to you, and there could be this energy of having to let go of whatever they had, of whatever or how they want it to happen. Okay. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. So we're going to end the read with a traveling message. Okay. Traveling intuitive message. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective who chose Power One. Shuffle, baby. Ooh. We have, look at this. This is what they want. They're hoping that maybe as time goes by that you can come back together, like heal this union, communicate, both share your intentions, because we still have, if we can put here, this energy, and I feel like this is what they want. The Six of Wands is to have this success together where you can I feel like it's kind of saying starting over again, but this time starting over again where the facades, the masks are put to death. Okay, put to death, and you're starting again. You're starting again. Okay, starting again. So, for the collective who chose pile one, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means, it's just Jamaican Part 1, it simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay? So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed. Okay, stay irie, keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are looking into pile two, and we are exploring the question. Okay, the person on your mind, their current thoughts and feelings, their intentions, and their next actions towards you. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the love and light, hey, family. Okay, and do have a look on the live tab for some more exclusive Summer of Love pick a card readings that are available every Sunday, okay, for the rest of the summer. All right, let's see Wagwan. Okay, let's see Wagwan. And I hope you've got a nice cup of tea and some snacks to keep you hydrated as we gather those gems. So let's have a look and see what messages wants to come through. We have the Knight of Cups. So there is still love there. There is still energy of wanting to come towards you and tell you how they feel. They do have these feelings that are welling up in this cup. Look at this. Look at the horse as well. It's like this energy of like I'm getting like the horse is sensing the energy from this knight. Okay, this could be you sensing that there's still feelings. Perhaps you still have some feelings there, and I'm getting the message like the feelings are like feeling of like there's like a feeling of being shy or humble about it, trying to kind of keep those feelings like hidden, but the more you try to control those feelings, the more visible they become. Okay, this is what I'm kind of getting. Okay, for some of you. Okay, because look what we have here. We have the Chariot. Hope you can see the cards a bit more. Right, just adjusting the camera a bit. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, we've got the Chariot here. Ooh la la. Okay. So the Chariot, and look what's here. The Empress. The Empress. The Wheel of Fortune. So we can see, okay, with the Knight of Cups, the Empress being here, and the Wheel of Fortune, and look what's here, the Devil. I feel like, especially with the Wheel of Fortune, there is an opportunity for this to kind of come back. But I feel like the Devil being here is saying, stop, wait a minute, stop, wait a minute. You've got to think about any past experiences, and I feel like the message that I'm getting is write a list. Write a list. Funny, I'm at the minute where I'm currently filming, I can hear police sirens as we just going into the read, and I feel like that is also a reminder to say trust your intuition and use your discernment. Trust your intuition and use your discernment, because I feel like there's an energy of this is your energy with the Empress, and they're drawn to it. And I feel that for some of you, okay, but I feel like there's a message here, especially when we've got the two, the power of two. There's always, especially when it comes to, I've noticed with all of these pick a card readings, twos always brings out the energy of choices, decisions, seeking balance, seeking harmony. And I feel like what their next intentions, what their next. I feel like there could be some. I feel like it's the message I'm getting is to be mindful that there might be some kind of manipulative ways, okay? Just to be mindful of that, or some ways to try to lure. I'm getting to lure you back into their web, lure you back into their web, and I feel like this is for some. I feel like this is for someone in the past, okay? Now it could be a current love interest. It could be, but I feel like it's somebody that you've had. There's been a lot of energy between you two. There's been a lot of kind of back and forth, and I feel like the devil being here is a reminder that there's been a lot of back and forth. So we're gonna clarify this card, okay? Because I feel like the chariot being here, that this could be someone who has a very like strong determination, very persistent to get this empress, to get this empress. But I feel like the Wheel of Fortune is saying there's going to be more opportunities, more opportunities, more opportunities. I keep getting there's going to be more opportunities, and I feel like that those more opportunities coming your way is going to give you this. There's going to be this kind of option to say, do you really want this option? Okay, do you really want this option? Okay. And perhaps the Knight of Cups could also be someone who's new, who is coming. But then it could, and I'm also getting the message that it could also be don't self sabotage. Don't self sabotage for some of you, okay? Do not self sabotage. Trust your intuition. Use your discernment. Go on how you feel, okay? So we're gonna have before we clarify, we'll pull out the Jamaican proverb and see if it wants to give us any additional information. Okay, let's have a look. So for the collective who chose pile 2, can we have a proverb that resonates with this current reading on the person on their mind? What are their current thoughts and feelings, their intentions, and their next action towards them? What does the collective need to see? What do they need to see? I feel like something wants to come out. What do they need to see? I'm going to pull this one as well. Thank you. We have, look at this. Look at this. Anansi. Anansi is the story tells. Is a story tells? Story is a rewind. You have to rewind that. Rewind. Okay, so Anansi is a story about a little spider that's widely. It was like storytelling in West Africa as well in the Caribbean. It's very popular in the Jamaican folklore, and the spider, in essence, is kind of like a way of learning life lessons. The spider gets up to mischief, and Nancy gets up to mischief and gets caught in its own lies and manipulation to try and gain what they want, or try to be very persistent. Okay, so the message here: Anansi rope tie Anansi. So in Jamaican patois, Anansi rope tie Anansi. Anansi rope tie Anansi. Okay, caught in a lie. Caught in a lie. Okay, lie after lie can cause traps. Be honest. And I feel like this is why this message is here, to remind you to just trust your intuition, use your discernment. Ask yourself, have you heard this all before? Okay, 2 songs are coming to mind. Sunshine Anderson, heard it all before. Okay, heard it all before. All of your lies, yeah, baby. Saying this, saying that. Okay. And another song that's coming to mind is a reggae lovers rock. Oh, the artist name has just gone, but the song is Caught in a Lie. And the song is about a we could say she's the empress. Let's say it's the empress. In both songs, they're both the empress who have realized that their energy has been essentially used against them, and they're realizing that they've been taken advantage of, and realize that the lies were not, that what they were being told were lies. Okay. And I feel like I feel like this message is a reminder to say, to be mindful. Sometimes I feel like, especially with the empress, you want to look at the empress. The energy of the empress is the nurturing, the loving one. Okay. The mother, okay, the mother of all mothers when it comes to the tarot. So it's kind of like always trying to see everything the bright side up. Okay. But I feel like the message is to, and that's fine. Okay. That's fine to see everything fine and dandy. But then this is the energy of the not so fine and dandy. This is the energy of, don't get caught up in any kind of delusion, or don't get caught up in any energy where it's trying to, like, the message I'm getting, don't brush any kind of red flags under the carpet. Don't brush any red flags under the carpet. Okay. No matter how sweet that memory, or if there was something that still made you think or gave you a question mark, or you just like, he's not that bad. Okay, so why is he not that great? Okay, I feel like this is kind of the message that I'm getting, to say just to use your, how you feel, trust your intuition, and use your discernment. Okay, because we also have, when beggar, there's another proverb here. When beggar beg from another beggar, him never get rich. Okay, so I'm gonna say it in the Jamaican patois. Yeah, bear with me. Okay. Hey, when beggar I beg from beggar, him never get rich. Him never get rich. Okay, so this is basically saying, if you lack resources and they lack resources, how are we building? And I feel like this is an energy with regarding to this Jamaican proverb, is that if things haven't completely changed, if they haven't done the inner work, if they haven't taken accountability, then they're coming back the same person. They're coming back as the same person. And I feel like this is what the Wheel of Fortune is saying. Don't let another cycle come your way, and it's the same crap, different day. Same crap, different day. Now, I feel like this message is coming very heavily, because I feel like it's, take what resonate, but I feel like there's a message here that there's new and there's old. But I feel like I'm getting the messages, take a chance on the new. But all the same, being open minded and trusting your intuition, trusting your gut, okay? Because look here, be mindful of your circle. Look at this. Energy attracts energy. So again, when a beggar begs from another beggar, him never get rich. So it's the idea that if you lack resources, you lack resources. You haven't done the work, you haven't done the work. Or you've done the work, they haven't done the work. They're still coming with, let's say you've done your 50 and they've done 25. It's still going to be 25 added onto yours. It's not going to be another 50. They haven't done theirs. So they need to at least come halfway. And I feel like this is what the message that I'm getting is, don't get caught up in their lies, or the facade, the like may try to kind of lure you through gifts or things like that. but don't get caught up in that. Always trust your gut, trust your intuition. Speak to like friends, family that you trust, okay, that can give you another insight. And yeah, there's a strong message here about that. Okay, we're gonna clarify. Let's clarify with the good karma. Let's have a look and see what the good karma wants to say. Okay, because I feel like there is more than one person here. So let's see who's the Knight of Cups. Look at that. It's the Knight of Swords. So this person could be someone who is, they could either be the same age as you, they could be a bit older than you, or they could be younger than you, or they just carry a kind of like a youthful energy about them. Okay, let's see who is the devil. Okay, who is the devil referring to? Who is the devil referring to? Oh, one popped out. So we had the sun, but it's come out in reverse. It's come out in reverse. Now the sun card is all about that masculine energy. Okay, the energy of the sun shining its light to reveal everything, to reveal, okay, when it's upright. But it's come this way. So this is now giving me back this energy of caught in a lie. Okay, it's giving not showing their true colors, not showing their true authenticity. And I feel like this is why the message keeps coming through to say just to be mindful, be aware, okay. And I feel like it's particularly around maybe an ex or someone who may want to return, someone who may want you back, to be mindful of that and ask yourself like what will be different this time. Okay, there's a message here for somebody, and I feel someone needs to really hear this message. Okay, let's have a look and see what message do you want to let the Empress know right now. The Empress, what do you want the Empress to know? Okay, thank you. Look at this. I feel like the Empress energy, because it's kind of come out like this way. Okay, it's kind of come outside. We can read it both ways. I feel like the message here is a reminder to not get caught, not get stuck, not get caught and not get stuck. Okay, even if you want to see the better of, or want the better for somebody, or you want to see the positive, is not let that, the message I'm getting is not let that blindside you, or not let that hinder you from seeing what it is, what it really is. Okay, now let's have a look at, okay, so let's have a look at this the Knight of Cups. So we have, no, it's the Knight of Swords, and it's somebody who, you know, who is probably also a love interest, or somebody who is currently in your mind. Let's see what their true intentions are. What are their true intentions towards you, and their actions towards you? What are their true intentions and their actions towards you? What are their true intentions and their actions towards you? Oh, let's have a look. So we have the Two of Pentacles. Look at this. Choices. They could be trying to work out if you're available. They could be trying to work out if you like them. They could be trying to work out if there is a future between you two. It could also be relate to, I'm getting that you might be working with this person, or you see this person on a day-to-day, and it you know, I feel like they could be trying to work out, having like friendly conversations, wanting to take you out, seeing if, you know, if there are any opportunities there. Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front. There could also be an interracial element here. Okay, see what's coming out here. We got, look at this, the Chariot. So there is definitely a strong energy of this person wanting to come towards you. Okay. And I feel like both. Okay. If it's a new love interest or an ex, they both want to do it. And look at this again. Look at the Ace of Swords popping out. The Ace of Swords is that reminder to don't get caught, don't get stuck. Clarity is needed at this time. Clarity is needed at this time. Okay? Because look what's here. Page of Coins. This person wants to work towards this. They want to build, they want to be an apprentice towards this union. Okay? And that's really positive. Okay? That's really positive. Taking some creative action perhaps towards you. Okay? So let's have a look now at this person here. Okay? That is given a strong energy that it's an ex. Okay? Let's have a look and see what this ex true intentions are towards you. What are the ex true intentions towards you? What is the ex true intentions towards you? Okay, look at that. So we see here, I feel like with the Queen of Cups, and as you saw the Empress, is to heavily play on your heartstrings, to warm you up. Okay, to warm you up, make you feel like everything, and there's nothing wrong with it. But the message that I'm getting is, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Okay? And the high priestess is here to say, baby, you've been here before. You've been here before. Yeah, they might want to sweet you up. They might want to wine and dine you. But you've been here before. But this new one here has a lot of energy here for you. So which one you're going to take? Because the wheel is in your favor. The wheel is in your favor. The wheel is in your favor. But whatever you do is to be mindful of this. Okay? All right. Let's have a look at some other messages. Okay, let's start with the romantic oracle. The romantic angel oracle. Let's start with the love interest, the Knight of Cups. What message do you want the collective to know regarding the Knight of Cups? Oops, sorry. Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups. What message do you want them to know regarding the Knight of Cups? So the Knight of Cups, who has feelings for the collective. This could be a new love interest, a crush. Staying optimistic. This is what this is, again, as we said, the apprentice. They want to be the apprentice with the Page of Coins that we saw earlier. Okay, they want this energy. Okay, and doing their best to stay positive, hoping that one day, maybe they may get a chance to even just take you out, get to know you a lot more. Okay, but let's have a look. I feel like this one wants to come out as well. The intuitive finger I was trying to pull. Look at this. Engagement. So engagement could be in a date. This could be them wanting to take you out. This could be someone who really wants to develop this relationship even further. Your love life is ascending to a high level of commitment. Ooh la la. Now let's have a look at this person who is coming up as a kind of an X energy. Okay? What message do you have for the collective regarding this person who is showing up with the devil energy? Oh, look at this. The passion. This is the passion energy. Okay. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. But did you notice how it fell? It fell this way. It fell this way. So we're going to read it like this, because I feel like the message here was to say, as much as you can get wine and dine. Okay, look at the imagery here with this. Look at the imagery here with how they want to kind of wine and dine you, and like, oh yeah, oh yeah, I remember those days when we were, like used to talk, or and during the sunsets, and oh yeah, how how lovely it was, and they could be like, yeah, baby, I remember those days, and how can I forget those beautiful lips, your beautiful hair. And look at how you look now. You look even mighty prettier than you do than you did then. And you're like, oh, and when did you get that? You got a nice tattoo there as well. Oh gosh, you didn't always know what to say, didn't you? Yes, baby. And I still want you. Okay? This is what I'm getting. And I'm feeling like the message is like, still to be mindful, trust your intuition, okay? Trust your intuition, trust how your gut, trust how you're feeling, okay? Because this person is gonna come strong. Look at the energy here, coming strong with this passionate energy to seduce you, okay? But with this energy, okay? Not this energy, but with this energy to seduce. High Priestess is here to say, girl, 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 okay? Girl, girl, okay? So let's have a look. Now that we know that, we won't focus on the energy of the ex, but we're going to focus now on the energy of this new love interest that's here, okay? That's showing up. So let's have a look at things that they want to say to you. Let's have a look. What do they want to say? So this person that is being optimistic and has thoughts of wanting to get to know you more on a deeper level. What messages do they want you to know right now? So for the collective who chose pile 2, what messages do they want you to know right now? Ooh. They could be a nature lover or enjoy the nature, and that could be something. Look at this. There's this energy of nature as well. Could be going out, going for walks, walking the dog. This could be something that interests them. Okay. They enjoy intellectual and stimulating conversations with you. Okay. Fashion forward and trendy. So they could be fashion forward and trendy. You could be fashion forward and trendy. What else do they want you to know? Alluring scent. This could be something that they are attracted to you. They could also have a scent as well, like a particular perfume or aftershave. Okay. Okay, what else do they want the collective to know to help to describe who they are? Okay. We have, I'm afraid to admit how deeply I've fallen for you. So this person, as we can see with the Knight of Cups, as we said earlier, it's like the more they try to hide, the more visible it's becoming. Okay. And I feel like you probably have intuitively are sensing it as well. Questioning like, oh, do they like me? Like you after the conversation, you're like, you feel it's almost like you can feel the energy, thinking, no, like this is not. This is no, like this. John is feeling me. Okay, John is definitely feeling Jane. Okay, what else do they want you to know? They could be a sports enthusiast, okay? Or there could be some talks about sports or wanting to go out of like a date night or something like that. And there's some sports involved, okay? Let's have a look. Any messages from their higher self, so the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What do they want to let you know? What do they want to let you know? Ooh, okay, look at this. I am scared of losing you, because you have become so important to me. Okay? I'm drawn to your kindness and compassion. Look, this is the energy of the Empress and the Queen of Cups. Okay, this energy is coming through. Now, I feel like you could take this energy for both energies. It's like things that they find very attractive about you, things that they find that draws them to your energy. Perhaps you have like a very empathic, caring, nurturing energy, but I feel like at the same time with like this empathic energy, you still have to be mindful that you can have people that can try like get drawn to that energy, but then try to use it to their advantage or to manipulate. Okay. And it's always, again, trust your intuition, use your discernment. Now we're going to have a look at these two here. Oh, well, they're a couple here. So let's have a look and see what they want to let you know right now. My late night thoughts involve thinking about you, holding you, and kissing you. Okay. Passionate about volunteering and giving back. So there could be an energy here about passionate about volunteering. Perhaps that could be something that you also enjoy doing. Okay, because we have a strong energy of empathic energy here, nurturing, loving energy. Your energy alone brings me a sense of calm and comfort. We have here mesmerizing voice. Mesmerizing voice. Okay. I'm kind of getting the energy that there's like a lot of when they hear your voice, or it's like it's like it brings a joy. I appreciate the way you challenge me to grow and evolve. Now, I feel like this person really enjoys the way you challenge them. Now, I feel like with this energy, they act or pretend they like enjoy it or engage in it, but it's only to get their means. And I feel like this is how they try to lure you in, so they can kind of manipulate the energy, so it works in their favor like I'm kind of getting it's always the energy to try and seduce. So it's to be mindful of that. Okay, so we are going to have a look at the chakra cards. Let's have a look and see what wants to come out for the chakra cards regarding this person. Okay, this new love interest, their intentions, their actions towards you, their current feelings. Let's see what wants to come out. Okay, we have let's put this one down first. We have here, we've got the base, so the root chakra. Okay, the root chakra. So this is all the energy about like how we was brought up, how we was raised, our childhood. Okay, I feel like you are bringing out this energy in them. Okay, we have here, and there's an energy about planting as well. So this person could be like very much a nature lover. So I hope you can see that. Let's see. So I plant myself on solid ground by consistently taking responsibility and having personal accountability. Woo! Look, this person is already coming through. Yes, taking accountability, because if you can't be truly authentic or work towards your growth if you're not taking accountability. So, earlier we said the message that this person's giving off this impression that they want to be an apprentice to this union. That's, this is taking the time to work on yourself, recognize your own flaws, recognize your positives, your pros, your cons, so that you're bringing when you're bringing to the table, it's like, well, at least I can come 50-50, not 25 and then 50. Okay, I hope that's making sense here. So we have here, I allow others to depend on me, being responsible. My actions speak louder than my words. Okay. I rise above excesses and indulgences, and as I forgive myself for my past indiscretions, I know I could not have acted in a more evolved way than I was able to at the time. Woo wee! Hello, hello. What's his number? Let us know, okay? What's his? Oh, good. Ooh wee. So we have here, okay, this the sacral chakra. That's all the energy about confidence, self-esteem. Okay, right. So I hope you can see that. It's a little bit blurry. Let's see if we can. I hope you can see it a bit better. If not, we'll bring it here. Okay, yeah, it's much better. I avoid continually sacrificing my own happiness for others by rescuing and enabling them. Can we click some fingers for that? Okay. As doing this may hinder personal growth for both of us. And this is the energy of here. Don't get caught, don't get stuck. Okay. Sometimes the Empress in us wants to save. And it's like, no, honey, darling. Okay. Darling, honey, we're not doing that. We're not doing it. Okay. The only person that we can save is ourselves. Okay. Click those fingers. Okay. So we got, I choose not to be a martyr. I'm a mentor, not a rescuer. I do not assume that everyone wants my opinions and solutions to their life challenges. And if I am in doubt, I will ask them. I take responsibility for my own happiness. Ooh, wait, who is this John? Who is this? Who is this? Put it in the comments down below. Hey, and let us know what you're sipping on. And we have the crown chakra. So again, this person could be very intuitive. They could be someone who's very clued on. Okay, taking that time to work on themselves, recognizing and like their own thoughts, their own feelings, and seeking balance with how they feel. Okay, because we have here, when my mind sways negatively. Hope you can see that. When my mind sways negatively, I remind myself of love, truth, gratitude, and spirit. Woo! I am the observer of my thoughts and I do not let them bring me down. Yes, honey, click those fingers. Hey. All right. So I remind myself to have gratitude and acceptance for what is and to have the courage of my convictions. I continually pursue a clearer understanding of spiritual truths behind all that is and all that is unfolding. I ask myself, is what I am thinking the truth? Now, the message I've got here is to remind yourself of this. Is what I'm thinking the truth? What I'm thinking the truth, okay? Now, where were we? Let's go back. Okay. Ooh, you see where you get a nice little gem, those juicy intuitive gems, and then you try to go back and think, where did I leave this? Right, okay. So we'll just start back from the beginning, okay? I continually pursue a clearer understanding of spiritual truths behind all that is and all that is unfolding. I ask myself, is what I am thinking the truth? Don't get caught in lies. Lie after lie. They cause traps. So I ask myself what I'm thinking what am I thinking? The truth? And is it having a positive or negative? Is it having a positive or negative impact on my life? Now, this one's quite a deep read, but I feel like this read was kind of just saying to be mindful of any kind of like energies around you, That is a, not being genuine, not being real, not being authentic. Perhaps, perhaps has kind of survived through lies, manipulation, and always trusting your intuition, using your discernment, okay, every time, and go with how you feel. Now, I'm going to have a look at these cards because I don't remember if we did have a look here, okay? Ooh, these ones must have fly earlier, right? So this person could have a fit and toned physique. I feel like this could be both ways, okay? Could be also with the X or this energy here that's as a way to sway you in muscular build. But it's funny how it's on this side as well. So it could be, they have that energy, they have that as a way to kind of it's part of their thing, it's part of their thing. Okay? It's part of their thing. So we're gonna have a look at some messages to help you to describe who this person is, some additional messages. Let's see what stickers wants to come out for this in this love interest. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So they could be someone at work. They could be very ambitious driven. Okay. They could have talked about their ambitions and desires. They could be very family orientated, and I feel like this energy is very strong here with the root chakra being here. Okay. Now we have gifts and the energy of like gifts. So this person, their love language, it could be a way of how they show their love language. They like to help others, and it could be that they're drawn to you because they see that in you, that you like to you have this kind of like nurturing, loving way about themselves, but it also brings out that energy in them as well. Okay. And I feel like here, the message here is again, trust your intuition. This person may be also like working on themselves, their growth, becoming more spiritually connected with oneself. They could enjoy eating healthy meals. Okay, I hope you can see that. They could be very academic, okay, or enjoys reading like on current affairs and things like that. Okay. And we have this purple. So I feel like the purple is also again representing the crown chakra. There's a lot of purple here. So it's again that it's that energy of the high priestess. Let's pull out the high priestess here. It's all about the intuitive energy. Intuitive energy is the high priestess. Okay. Seeking balance in that. Taking time to listen to how you feel. Sometimes it could be through signs, it's synchronicity, seeing angel numbers, something that somebody said, the Jamaican proverbs, or little different messages, okay, that can help you resonate with things and think, yes, this is making sense now. Have you ever had those moments where it's like maybe, let's say you may have received some message and it wasn't really adding up, and later down the line it was like, wow, now it all makes sense. This is the high priestess right here. That's the energy. Okay. So last but not least, we're going to end the read with these intuitive messages. Okay. Intuitive messages, traveling messages regarding this person. Let's have a look and see what intuitive message wants to come out for this love interest that has genuine intentions towards you. They have they have those thoughts and feelings. This person on your mind could be this person on your mind, as well as their actions towards you. Let's have a look and see what wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 2. Look at this image. Woo wee! Look at the road that they know they're gonna have to travel to get there. But I'm getting the apprentice. They could have a younger energy, or they could be quite maybe immature, or it could be like an age gap, or it could just be that they may act younger, but they have their intention is that they want to develop, they want this to grow, they want to build, and they want to enjoy, like I'm getting, they want to be able to enjoy those memories, and as well as like connect with you, not just on a like physical or emotional, but also on a spiritual level with you. Okay. Let's have a look at this person's intentions now with the traveling cards. Okay. So we have this person here who is showing up with the devil energy. Okay. Let's see what their true intentions. Okay, we know what the current feelings is. A lot of passion, a lot of kind of energy here, trying to like sell you the world, but still not give you the world. This is what I'm getting. Sell you the world, but not give you the world. Woo! Now that's a catchphrase. Right, let's have a look. Let's see what message wants to come through regarding this person who wants to sell you the world but not give you the world. Ooh, okay, it fell on the floor, so there's a lot of energy here. Look at this. It still comes back with passion. Still comes back with passion. And I feel like this is the energy to say, you've got to be mindful. You still got to be mindful that this person is going to come strong. They're going to come strong with this passionate energy. They're going to come strong with this passionate energy. And it may sweep you like under your feet. But here is that reminder to say, you know, trust your gut. Trust your gut. Okay? So, to the collective who chose pile 2, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here. Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Okay? That I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Patois. It simply means this is how it goes around here. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? But be sure to always trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. Look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan, people. Wagwan, tea sippers. Wagwan, with generals. So we have pile 3, and we are exploring the question: the person in your mind, their current thoughts and feelings, their intentions towards you, and their next actions towards you. Okay, so if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tara and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. Let us know what you are sipping on today. Okay, I've got some water, and may sip from time to time as we gather those juicy intuitive gems. Okay, and okay, let's get into it. But before we do, that is what I was trying to gather now. Thank you. Do have a look on the Summer of Love pick a card readings available on the live tab. They are available every Sunday, okay, as for the summer, and that will be available for the rest of the summer. So the Summer of Love pick a card readings, okay, where we focus on a particular question, okay? So do have a look. So let's get into it. I already feel like this read is like giving me tongue-tied. So let's see Wagwan. Okay. We have the Hierophant. Okay. The Hierophant is it's like the governor. Okay, the governor. Think of governments, think of like big kind of like industries or things like that where there is the best way I can try and explain the Hierophant is like the teacher, the person that comes to the trainer, okay, that they are the knowledgeable one and it's coming to kind of rectify things, okay? So things have, let's say things are not in order and there's some kind of like commission or organization that helps to put like businesses, organizations back in line, okay? Now, in terms of love reading, now when we're looking at the Hierophant could also be like someone who can give you advice in terms of like a counselor. You got the tarot reader, you have someone like a priest, a pastor, some sort, let's say even in regards to marriage, okay? It can give that energy, okay? Someone's coming together in front of in kind of like in a spiritual setting saying, right, this is what, you're gonna come and bring your 100% and your partner's bringing their 100% into this union, into this marriage, okay? All right. So we can already see that there's some energy here about marriage and an energy about wanting to make a commitment and energy about wanting to learn, wanting to work on it. Not just making a commitment, but working on that commitment. Okay? Okay, we have here the Hermit, okay? The Hermit. Now the Hermit is kind of giving me an energy that this person may be caught in their feelings. They may be caught in this kind of, I'm still doing the work. I'm not perfect, but I'm still doing the work. Okay? But I feel like they have this energy of like they want to kind of do better, to be better. Okay? Because we have here the Magician. Now the Magician is here to remind us that we can manifest anything that we want. So even in while we're in that hermit mode and we're taking that time to work on ourselves, perhaps it could be this person could be having some alone time. Okay, let's call this person John. This John could be having a lot of alone time, and that alone time, okay, is making John feel this way that I want Jane. We're gonna call you Jane, okay? I want Jane. But I know that I know that I need to work on myself and be a better person for myself so that I can show up better in the world as well as be a better partner. So I'm getting the energy here. This could be for some of you who might be married, okay? This could be for some of you who might be having discussions about marriage, okay, and wanting to do like premarital counseling or seeking advice, okay, for some of you. Now, because all age groups do watch Wagwan Tarot, and I feel like if it's for someone like a crush or like a love interest, but it could be like for some, I feel like there could be like a work environment thing, and perhaps they could also be wondering if it is the best move, best decision to kind of try to start something in a work environment and how that may impact on their day to day. Okay. It could also be someone is like, I'm getting someone still might have some player vibes about them and they're kind of weaning themselves off. That's what I'm getting. They're weaning themselves off because I'm sensing like they are recognizing that your energy is giving off, no, I don't want to play with this one. I don't want to play with this one. So I feel like they're trying to, with the Magician being here, is trying to get themselves to work on the things that are important to them, working on themselves so that they can be a better person. I keep getting, so I can be a better person. Because look what's here. The Nine of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles is giving the energy, the vibe that John wants to work on this energy of independence, this strong energy of getting themselves together financially, physically, I feel like it's so they can come forward, because what's after the Nine of Pentacles is the Ten of Pentacles. This is the energy of generational wealth. This is the energy of family, okay, marriage, commitment, building together, growth, okay. These are all of these energies right here that they are showing to you, okay. And so we have the Four of Swords. So now this is the energy that they're giving, this energy that they are wanting. It's almost like they're still staying in this head, in their head, trying to get the confidence. And I feel like there's a strong energy of the confidence here, the confidence and the courage to come forward, to say how they feel, to express how they feel towards you. Okay, so I feel like it may take them some time. Okay, but I feel like the message I'm getting is, if you can bear with me, I really do want to be better. I really do want to go and see and talk to people, learn from people, learn. I'm getting also learning from their elders, seeing their grandparents, perhaps their grandparents or people around them have been in successful relationships, and they're trying to seek advice on how they can best approach you, regardless if this person's a crush. This person could be trying to work on their marriage, or it could be also trying to work on being ready for marriage. Okay, I feel like this person is wanting to do all those things with you. Okay, now again, it's under power three. This is the message. Sorry, this is the energy of growth, expansion. So this person's currently going through an energy of expansion. Okay, they're currently going through this energy. So let's have a look now at the Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb want to tell you right now about this person. Okay, what message do you have regarding this person? Okay, their current thoughts and feelings, their true intentions, and their next actions towards you. Ooh, okay. So we have, not expect nothing from a pig but a grunt. Don't expect anything from a pig but a grunt, okay? So in Jamaican patois, not expect anything. Don't expect anything. Oh, sorry. Not expect nothing from a pig but a grunt. Not expect nothing from a pig but a grunt. This is the energy of, don't expect or have high hopes or expectations if you know someone is an idiot. Don't be fooled by an idiot. Okay, now I feel like this could be applied to some of you. If this person could have tried to always, perhaps they could also, it's like they're trying, but it's like what they can do. But I'm still getting like a positive in that this person wants to do better. They want to be better. Okay, again, we keep getting that message of they want to do better, they want to be better. But I feel like they may need some time, okay, to work on what it is that, and recognize what is important. Like, I feel like this person may heavily have focused on their wants rather than their needs. Okay? And when we focus heavily on our wants rather than our needs, we become very imbalanced, because we are not prioritizing what is truly important. Okay? Our wants are things that we can live without. Okay? But our needs are things that we cannot. And I feel like this person is recognizing it. Okay? They're recognizing it. Especially having here, they could be like seeking, like maybe they could be watching lots of videos or on like life coaches, or they could even be, I feel like this person could even be watching some tarot readings, or even watching tarot readings on while going tarot and tea, trying to work out your moves as well towards them. Okay, now we have, member say the wall have ears. Member say the wall have ears. Okay, so be careful who is listening. Now I feel like this is also an energy of, perhaps if it's also being mindful of who you talk to or who you share with, because again, everybody can have, so it's sometimes if somebody's not happy with themselves, no matter how they try, you know, they 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 can struggle to then find it. They can struggle to be happy for you because they're not in that. They're not ready. Look at the hermit. They're not. They're still doing their own inner work, and I feel like perhaps this person may have also experienced that, like when they're trying to find somebody or someone to kind of boost them up, or they may kind of feel at times let down by those around them. Okay, so let's have a look now at some romantic oracle messages. Let's see what wants to come through regarding this person, because I feel like this person is caught up in this energy of really wanting to do better, wishing that I'm almost getting this like, I hope I can prove this to you over time. Okay, and it's also like going on the drawing board to then work on becoming more financially better, like financially stable. Okay, financially secure, wanting to show up as a better partner. Okay, look at this. Oi, 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 oi. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So there could be some, again, working on healing, letting go of things. This could be why why the Hierophant's here, to get some support and assistance. Okay, let's see what other messages want to come through. The person on your mind, their current thoughts and feelings. Okay, intentions, next actions. We've seen the Hermit here again. This person could be going through like their own spiritual awakening, growth. Okay, taking accountability. Now this was heavily strong. This message was heavily strong in pile 2. Okay, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and your spiritual path. Okay, let's see what else wants to come through. And it could be that a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. So we can see that there is new energy here. There is definitely, just so that you can see this all, there is definitely new energy here. Okay, and it could be also this person wanting to start anew, create anew. Okay, look at this. Flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. Okay, so I feel like the message here is for you to stay light-hearted, because the more light-hearted you stay, and again, just focus on your needs, not so much on your want. As you know, we can all want things. You could want $1,000,000 today, but what do you need right now? And I feel like it's also saying just to focus on what you need right now, because then the more you focus on that, your own self-love, it's that the energy that you're carrying is also triggering this person to then seek those needs in their own self, seek those needs and develop those needs, recognize those needs, prioritize. Let's rewind. We do have a lot of rewind moments at Wagwan Charity. Rewind. Okay, to prioritize those needs that have been left neglected. And I feel like heavily those needs could have also been impacted by some inner child, some family trauma. I feel like the energy could be perhaps love wasn't something that they witnessed, or there may have not been a lot of emotional warmth and tenderness, and they may have struggled to show that to others. Okay, this could be something that they're fighting with. Okay, and learning to be more at ease. Okay, but I feel like this person is also seeking support and advice because they want their relationship, okay, to move to the next level. Or if they're not, if it could be a crush or a love interest or someone who's pursuing you, they want to ascend their relationship, or they want to ascend their how they view themselves, how they view the relationships, how they value relationships, and the needs that are required in a relationship. They want to build that. So seeking someone who can give them that advice and assistance to help them become more accountable, to help them to reflect on what's important, can really help them to then see the importance of why it is so needed. Okay. Ooh la la. So let's have a look now. Actually, we'll start with these messages. Let's have a look and see what messages do they want to tell you from their higher self. Let's have a look into their higher self, because we can see if there's the Hermit here, the Hierophant being here, like the leader, taking that time to, with the Hermit, being more accountable, reflecting, being thankful, being appreciative, so that when they do get that Nine of Pentacles, they become more financially stable, more financially secure. They develop more security within themselves. They can appreciate it more. They can give thanks more. Okay. They can work on healing. They can take in that time to recognize how important their moves, their actions, the things that they say can carry energy, okay, wherever they go, and also towards you. Okay, let's see. Look at this. So they could be passionate about volunteering and giving back. This was also in pile 2. Let's have a look from the higher self. And we have a message from their higher self. So for the collective who chose pile 3, what does the person on their mind want them to know right now? Look at this. I love everything about you. I love everything about you. I'm just getting like, I just love everything about you, Jane. Jane, I love everything about you. I love everything about you, Jane. Jane, I love everything. This is why I need to work on myself and be that person and take that time to invest, because I want to invest. I want to invest in us. Look at this. Their high selves coming through. I feel like they're getting more confident now. My higher self wants you to know, Jane, that my inner child feels safe with you. Didn't we say about there could be some things about their inner child? Perhaps they may have not seen love in their household, their home, or seeing it like maybe family members showing that tenderly love towards one another, and that could have impacted the way they express love, not only to you but also to themselves. Okay, they could be an outdoor adventurer. Okay, an outdoor adventurer. We have sports enthusiast. Okay, we have, look at this, divine masculine to divine feminine. Your energy inspires me to look at this. This is the energy right here. This is their intentions, intentions and their actions. They are showing you this is kind of like embodying everything, their current thoughts and feelings, their intentions, okay, and their next actions towards you. Your energy inspires me to do better and be a better person. I feel like, should we just end the read right now? Like really? Like, should we just end the read like right now? Like, they're just coming through. Like they're coming through. Like, oh my God. Like, so let's see what else they want you to know. Let's see. They could have a fit and toned physique. Ooh la la, fit and toned physique, hey? Ooh, one has fell on the floor. Bear with me. There's a lot of energy here. Look at this. They could be tech and savvy. tech and savvy and into gadgets. These, I find with these cards, they seem to have a lot of energy. And I feel like it's because these cards kind of go into their deeper feelings, okay? And it's almost like they just want to fly away and tell you how I feel. I wanna tell you how I feel. I wanna tell you how I feel. Ooh la la. Let's see. Oh yes, look. They're trying to come out. Look at this. Your laugh. Your laugh makes my heart skip a beat. Now, for some of you, I feel like some of you might have a little like, okay, a little skip in your laugh, okay. And I feel like I feel like it's something that they find very attractive. And it also connects to their inner child. Okay, it makes their inner child like, I'm getting the message, inner child warm with delight. Okay. Now this gives me a message to remind me. The message that I'm getting for myself is to create a deck like this for the inner child. So we're gonna note that down. Note that down. We'll note it down. Okay. I'm scared of losing you because you have become so important to me. And I feel like could be something that they could be sharing. It could be something that if they're seeking support and advice from friends, from family, from like or some kind of like support. I feel like this could be things that they're sharing and how they want to work on this. Could be things that they want to say to you. Okay. What else do they want you to know? I value your opinions and your insights more than you realize. So this again, this, I feel like they are taking that opportunity to become more accountable, and that's such a loving feeling, because to be accountable is the energy of growth, the energy of expansion, taking the opportunities to reflect and work on things and say, yes, I could have done better here. I could have done I could have done things so much better when it came to Jane. I recognized at that time that perhaps I didn't always take the opportunity to listen to Jane and actively listen, not just be there, but show in my body language and just listen. And now I'm seeing everything that she's saying now, and this is why I want to work on myself. This is why I want to be better. This is why I'm recognizing how I felt as my inner child has felt, or how I felt as a child that I wasn't, and now I'm repeating the same things to myself. I feel like this person's getting a lot of this. It's like I feel like they're getting a lot of oversight. They're a lot of in Jamaican culture, we call it overstand. You get an overstand, okay? Not just understanding, but you're overstand, because that's the energy of like, you're not just getting it now, you're now overstanding, that you're developing an empathic connection to it, so that you're able to relate better and resonate with it better and recognize your partner's wants and needs, but also your wants and needs, and prioritizing those needs. Those needs. Someone needed to hear that. Someone needed to hear that. Please put it in the comments down below if you needed to hear that. I appreciate all of your commentary, and to big up to the collective every time. We're all about bigging up. Your beauty, both inside, captivates me endlessly. There may be some expressive eyebrows, okay? This perhaps could be you. It could be the person on your mind, okay? We have, I get nervous around you because my feelings are real. Notice how they are around you. That could be also a giveaway. This could be something that you've sensed as well. My heart, look at this again, energy about skipping, okay? I feel like that could be perhaps even it's something they could have enjoyed as once when they were a child, okay? Now I keep getting this energy of like something stuck in your throat, and it feels like I keep like getting that energy for myself. So I feel like this person has this kind of feeling. It's like what they want to say, and it's like this feeling of like a frog stuck in their throat. Okay, my heart skips a beat when I see you. In fact, every time I see you, damn, you are fine. So they are very mesmerized by your energy. Anything else they want you to know? Any other hobbies, interests, or things they want to say to you? Things they want to say to you from their higher self. Okay, I feel like this wants to come out. We have your happiness is my top priority. I want to see you thrive. They want to see you thrive, and I feel like this is also you thriving with them or without them. You thriving with them or without them. Okay. We have here sparkling eyes. So you have sparkling eyes, okay? Now the song that's coming to me is a song. Oh, the artist is I can't recall the artist, but the song goes something like, "I need you more tonight, and I need you more than ever." There's a heavy. I'm getting the message of I need you more tonight, and I need you more than ever. I need it, and I need it. Is it Eclipse of the Heart? Something like that. Oh, I think it's an 80s track. But the lyrics that is heavily pulling is I need you more than I. Now I need you more than ever. Okay, so that may resonate with somebody. Okay, I feel like it's with this energy with the Four of Swords. Someone's recognizing it, taking that time. They've done some work, and it's making them see things differently. See things. I'm getting with open eyes. Okay. Now let's clarify some some of this energy. So let's have a look at their current thoughts and feelings towards you. What wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 3? Their current thoughts and feelings towards you. Their current thoughts and feelings towards you. Their current thoughts and feelings towards you. Look at this. They have a strength and a fire in their belly to want to work, to want to develop, to want to improve. Okay, to take action. They want to take action. Let's see what's significant at the front. Look at this, the Chariot. There's an energy of persistence, determination. Okay, look, they want to overcome this energy of this overburden. They recognize they need to they need to let go of things that are not aligned with them and not aligned with this journey. And look what's behind here. The Hermit is back here again. The Hermit is back here again. So I feel like there could be like a religious, there could be maybe some religious or spiritual kind of differences here, or it could be that this person is now coming into their own, okay, and recognizing that they want to be a better person and do better, okay? All right. Let's have a look at their next action towards you. Their next actions towards you. Next actions towards you. Next actions towards you. So we have the Page of Wands. Now, I'm going to read it this way, okay? But I feel like the Page of Wands, because it came out this way, but I feel like the Page of Wands is the message here that you may hear from them, but I still feel like the message that I'm getting is they may be taking some time to work on themselves before reaching out to you. Because if you look what's going on here, if you see this, it's just like this person's, they're cooking, they're trying to get themselves together, but it's like they're kind of, at the minute, it's like things looking like it's overwhelmed at the minute. So it's like they're trying to get themselves right before then coming towards you and with before, I'm getting the message that to give you an offer, they need to kind of make sure that they're offering that same energy to themselves, because the energy of RuPaul, we haven't used the words of RuPaul for a while. If you can't, if you ain't love, if you haven't, if you don't love yourself, or I think it's if you don't love yourself, how can you love anybody else? Can I get an amen? Okay. But I feel like the energy here is, if you ain't working on your own pots, you ain't working on your own pots, you ain't getting all your steam, your things together, you ain't getting your routine, your organization, you're getting yourself together, then how can you fit time? Again, prioritizing, because you need to prioritize those needs. Okay. Let's see what's significant. Again, look at this. Is the energy of juggling. And it's again prioritizing, you getting yourself right. You have to get, like, the message I'm getting is they have to get themselves right before they come to you. They have to get themselves right before them come to you. Yes, darling. Look, they want to work on it. It's almost like it's like, I'm not afraid of this challenge. It's like they're prepping themselves up. Because look at that. There's still that energy of the burden. And I feel like this is the energy of the devil being here. Is that their energy before was self-sabotaging. So it's like they're giving the energy of the devil a fight. It's like, not today, Satan, not today, neck, not today, ankles. This is the energy that I'm getting here. And look what's at the back here, because they want to come. They want to come with their 50, and so that they can, you're both matching. So it's like, I know I need to do this work because I want to be by Jane's side. But in order for me to be by Jane, whether I'm a crush, whether I'm a love interest, whether I am, maybe it could be in separation, or like wanting to, as a married couple, wanting to work on things, or even premarital, wanting to kind of make sure that, if we're gonna do this and be serious about it, we're giving 50-50. We're collaborating, we're working together, we're building together, we're growing together. We're not growing apart, we are growing together. And I feel like this is the energy that this person wants with you. Okay? Ooh wee. Okay. So let's have a look now at some chakra energy. What kind of chakra energy are being impacted at this time, or which chakras are being impacted at this time with the person on your mind, this love interest? So for the collective who chose pile 3, what do they need to see? Okay, we have here, this is the energy. This is the energy. This is the energy here. We can see it with the 4 of Swords. We can see it with the Hierophant. Okay, and we can see it with the Strength card being here. And we can see it with the Hermit. And we can see it with the religious factors. And we can see it with the Magician. Okay, we can see it here. It's like this person with the 3rd eye. Okay, it's located in that area here. Can you see? Well, let's put this area here. Look where the rod is on with the Hermit, and it's like the light is like shining that energy for them to see. Okay, look at this with the Crown. It's the wisdom and discernment. Wisdom and discernment. I'm open to understanding the spiritual truth behind the situation. Hope you can see it. The situation is occurring right now in my life. So, okay, so occurring in my life right now. I offer my wisdom to assist others along the path. I trust in a higher source to guide me and to help others who ask for my guidance. I practice discernment and listen deeply within for the truth. I choose to respond rather than to just react. Okay, so then just reacting to situations, acting with clarity, courage, and conviction. So again, as we said, I'm sure we said earlier about actively listening, engaging. Like this person is recognizing the importance to actively listen to them, their own selves, working on their needs, prioritizing on what's important. Okay, using trusting their intuition, using discernment. Okay, this is what's helping them to develop a strength. Okay, they're developing a strength that I feel like it's amazing them, like how much they've grown, how much they're taking action, even fighting through their fear, but they're still going strong. Okay, this is the message that I'm getting. Still going strong and still believing and trusting in themselves, taking action, working towards their goals. Okay, with all the little tools, the energy that they have. Okay, some love energy, some energy of security and growth. Okay, their thoughts. Okay, and as well as the ability to take action. They're wanting to come and I feel like they're embodying all of that and recognizing the importance of it. Okay, so last but not least, we are going to end this read with a message, traveling intuitive message for the collective who chose pile 3. What do they want you to know? Okay, additional message they want you to know. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They know that there's some roads that they have to travel. There's some roads that they have to travel. Hope you can see that. Some roads they have to travel, okay, to get there. You know, there might be some wet and warmy weathers, okay, some sunny days, but they know they've got to do those journeys. They've got to take their own journey, take their own path to work on things, recognize things. You know, whether it's I feel like it could be heavily be somebody who wants to come forward, step towards you, but with an offer, okay, with a genuine like offer, but it's like they want to kind of really get themselves there first, okay. All right, so we'll leave it here. But to the collective who chose Power 3, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest, okay? I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Power, and it simply means this is how it goes around here, okay? But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, always trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. Keep sipping for those intuitive, juicy gems, and I will see you on the next one. Wagwan.